this is Miss Malini on Facebook Live yet again because I have the absolutely fantastic Veer Das and Neha Dupia in the house.
Hello. This is very intimidating. So many cameras.
It is all live, so you can't take it back.
Okay.
Can't take it back.
So I can't can we cuss and all, or do you?
You can. We'll find out.
Okay, fuck.
Okay. So now here's what's happening. Movie called Santa Banta. Okay. So is this something to do with the jokes?
No, not at all. It's a kids' film. I should clarify that. We wanted to take it away from the jokes. So Baman and my condition to doing the film was take it away from that.
Yeah.
So there's no Santa Banta jokes in the film. Just Baman Irani and me and the lovely Neha Dupia.
And Lisa Hayden.
And Lisa Hayden.
And Sanjay Mishra and Johnny Lever. And I know it's very hard to believe when you have Veer and me in the same frame and we say it's for kids, but it really is. So you have to believe us.
What kind of children are they?
Just very,
The
very...
ones we made together.
well, let's not talk about those.
Okay, so tell people what is different about this film? You know, what's the twist?
Nothing. There's nothing different about this film. There's no twist at all.
No.
The fact is, Veer and Baman are Sardars. That's probably the new, fresh thing that you see. But from what I hear, they have played Sardars before, but they're funny
I
Sardars.
never played a Sardar before.
You're going to, right?
Don't
in another
lie.
film.
Why are you lying to Facebook,
Stop
Periscope,
it now.
and YouTube? Bencho, what is this?
And Desh Ki Janta jo main dekh
Alright,
rahi hai yahan
okay.
pe. No, but there's nothing different about the film. It's just, it's an entertaining film. It's a comedy. We just want you to come see it if you have time, money.
What I will say is there's a dream team of comedy in it. Outside of me and Baman, if I saw a movie that had Baman Irani, Ram Kapoor, Vijay Raj, Sanjay Mishra, Johnny Lever and Vrijesh, that's a masterclass in comedy.
How intimidating is it to do comedy with Baman Irani?
It's a huge... I'm the youngest comedian on this. So the first 2 days on set, I was just hey, look at him.
Have you ever messed with them, made a joke, and they give you a really mean stare?
No, Baman gives me disapproving stares throughout the movies. Acha, that's what you're doing. And then I'm no, it's young. You won't understand. This is new comedy.
Baman was giving Veer mean stares only when Veer was kicking his ass while playing Trivial Pursuit. That's when he gets really offended. And I mean, during FIFA, no way. If there's anybody who beats Baman while he's playing video games, that's it. On the set, what happens? He's very sporting about it.
Yeah. But we have good timing together.
I looked from the trailer you guys have that timing. Emoji pajamas. Tell me more.
Yes, as you know, I'm all about the pajamas. I have a festival called Pajama. But yeah.
Who came up with that? The poster is awesome.
You like the poster?
Yeah. And, oh yeah?
What?
You were so surprised.
Viacom did something right?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
But also, pajamas are SS16. It's the new fashion trend. So
I'm sorry, what?
Yeah, that.
Doesn't know what that means.
What is an SS16? Sounds like a Nazi warship.
No.
What is it?
Summer. It's the fashion forecast. That's why we kept it in.
Spring summer is SS16. Yeah. Fucking A, that's awesome.
knew it. You
I had no idea.
You have your own fashion.
And I didn't know this.
So Johnny Lever, is he like that constantly? Is he Johnny Lever 24/7?
Yeah, he's the greatest comedian India's ever produced, live or film. Where on a beach in Fiji, he takes the director's mic, performs for everybody on the beach. Beach stops for 45 minutes. He's that good.
How was Fiji?
It was amazing. I mean, great for my lungs. As
Far,
we had this,
very far.
This conversation.
You get off the flight and you want to murder people. It
And
takes 29 hours to get to Fiji.
Yeah, and then when I came in from Africa, and then I missed my flight, so I had to make the connection back from Korea. So I
wanna
pretty
just-
much went all around
You
the
want to
world.
pick those names you just dropped? Those two countries? It's अरे मैं अफ्रीका में थी और कोरिया में थी with Brad Pitt.
No. I missed my flight. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, and when that happens, it takes you 3 months to get there.
The point, guys, is Neha's impunctual. It's not a cool story. She's
So we have some questions in from Facebook. Go ahead.
Yes, lots of love coming in for Neha's outfit.
Who's it by? Who's it by?
This is by the Miraki Project.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
are they SS17, the Miraki project?
This is SS6.
Okay. Guys, this T-shirt is by.
Thunder.
Oh my God! It's a Harry Potter T-shirt.
It's from BS10, Bangkok Street, 2010.
Bullshit. It looks great on you.
Thank you.
Question.
And lots of people actually, but I'll take a few names. Divya, Ankita, Mohammed, all of them want to thank me for being such an inspiration. And one of them has an exam coming up, so can you please?
Okay, so you've seen the On The Marks video clearly. Don't worry about your exam. The minute your exam ends, it doesn't matter anymore. You'll be absolutely fine. Your parents will be pissed for a while. But listen, forget those guys. You'll be all right. I promise you. Chill.
Very nice. Okay, what song will Sonu Nigam not mind you singing right now? Can you sing it?
You want to sing a song which Sonu Nigam has sung?
Yes, from the
You know,
movie.
Neha's got this beautiful voice, so you want to turn to Neha in this.
You kidding me?
When do you say fuck?
Beeped herself out.
Yeah,
That was
I
amazing.
beat myself out because this is Facebook.
No.
And Facebook is only kosher things going on.
Pehla, sir, you can say fuck on this thing. It's fine. Bol de. It's okay.
No, I can't
Acha.
say fuck and all.
Okay. Manli's like, this is out of control. It's wrong. Say.
I'm not saying I'm the worst singer in the world.
Come on.
Yeah.
No, I don't. There's a song which goes. I'll explain the basis of the song, which is Ishq kar le anytime, anytime, anytime.
Anytime.
So you understand what that means.
Ah, Sonu, you bad boy. Okay. Tell us everyone wants to hear the funniest moments from the set, considering you had such funny people on set.
The funniest moment for me every day was watching Baman take off the pagdi.
Really? Why?
Because you're in Fiji, it's 49 degrees, you're on a beach, and that moment where you just, and you've got just the patka left, but you've taken off the big turban and you can feel the breezes, that's awesome. That's the best.
That's amazing. Okay.
I have a question. Okay, someone wants to know, Veerdas sir, when are you making the sequel to Delhi Belly?
So apparently sequels to both Delhi Belly and Go Goa Gone are currently being written. So we will announce them soon. I'm not producing them. It's not my money, so I don't know. But at some point, yeah.
Okay, and some people, I think, are questioning whether or not you are representing the Sikh community properly in this film. Do you have a comment?
I think we are, absolutely. Because it's not the first film I'm playing a Sardar in. The second film is 31st October as well. They're sweet, innocent guys. It's a kid's film, guys. You know what I mean? So they're these two simpletons from a gaon. It's like a Johnny English kind of a vibe. Their names could have been anything else and it would have still worked. I don't think they've ever held a girl's hand. I don't think. There's a love track which is not really a love track. Where we just kind of look at the girls from afar and say hello. They're very sweet, innocent guys. So I think that's a good representation.
Thank you guys for being here. Mwah.
Thank you so much.